Hello, Chef here. Here we go with part 2 of the beef stew. Follow along and don't forget to support your sponsor. Here we go. Some of the ingredients that go in the beef stew, of course, the chunks of beef. We've got some beautiful fresh carrots right here. These are going to get peeled, cut into chunks. Potatoes peeled, cut into chunks. Fresh tomatoes, garlic, onion. We've got some wild mushrooms. These are black trumpet mushrooms. Really, really nice. Very expensive. We've got some kosher salt. We're going to put that on the meat right now. A little bit of kosher salt here. And some fresh ground black pepper, of course. You gotta have pepper on your beef stew. Generous amount of salt and pepper. Another ingredient I like to use is some of the Cajun spices. Just about a teaspoon. We're going to put that right on the beef here. Give it a little bit of spice. Not too spicy. Just a little bit there. Okay, so follow along and we'll get cooking with this beef stew here. Yeah. Carrots. We're going to line them up. Remove the tops and the bottoms, just like this. Okay, so we peeled up these potatoes. I don't need to show you that. You know how to peel potatoes. However, a little chef tip for you here. If you come across potatoes that have the little eyes, you should remove the eyes as they contain bacteria possibly, and you want to stay healthy. So any of these little brown spots or eyes, you want to remove them off the potatoes just for your own health. Carrots we're going to go into large pieces as well, just like this. Okay, I've got a very hot Dutch oven here. I'm putting some olive oil in the bottom of this baby. Get this beef started. Onion. Tomatoes, just large chunks is fine, like this. So once the meat is browned, you want to remove it from the pan. Then we're going to proceed to saute our vegetables. At this point, I'm adding 10 green peppercorns. 1 teaspoon of thyme, now the beef goes back into the Dutch oven like this. Adding tomatoes. Adding 2 cups of beef stock. And I'm adding a few tablespoons of tomato sauce. Oh yeah, that's what the stew looks like right now. We're going to let this simmer for about an hour, maybe hour and a half. You can also place it in the oven. Check it when the beef starts to get tender. Almost forgot these trumpet mushrooms are going in. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. So after 90 minutes, I've added a little bit of cornstarch and water. It's looking really good. The beef's starting to get tender. The finished beef stew looks pretty good. Just for contrast, I'm putting some sweet pepper triangles on here. And that's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Try out the recipe. Keep cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, serving a salad with that beef stew. And that's gonna be good. Baby greens, little radicchio in there. Some Kalamata olives, plum tomato, yeah. If you need to get any of the products like the scimitar butcher knife or the butcher blocks, don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Have a great day. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching.